come back. Look, the skyline behind you. That's great. There's the Hong Kong Cultural Center with the Museum of Modern Art behind it. And there's the Star Ferry. And here's the aircraft carrier, the Marine Expeditionary, with Harrier jets and the Sea Stallions on top. And you can see the American flag. I'll zoom in. There's red, white, and blue right there. And over here is the HSBC Tower and the Convention Center. And there goes the Star Ferry right there, right by us.
The Star Ferry service was originally founded by the prominent person, under the name of the Silver Ferry Company.
There's the HSBC Tower, Victoria Peak above it, and Hong Kong Island.
The world famous Star Ferry has provided